guys, this is the kitchen party with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe this is a twist of Indonesian fresh salad, cucumber salad that we call Acar Bawang, but I added radish. I don't think we have radish in Indonesia, but I added radish to this Acar Bawang, and it's so refreshing, and I like it so much that I have decided from now on, if I want to make acar bawang, I'm gonna add radish. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! Acar is the most yummiest fresh cucumber pickle or cucumber salad from Indonesia. I'm not sure if the word is derived from Indian word, because I know they have acar as well, but their acar is different from what we would make in Indonesia. Basically in Indonesia you only need carrots and cucumbers, and then with vinegary water and bird-eye chilies and shallots. Today's acar can be served with anything you like, but we love it with our turmeric rice or our martabak, which is street vendor snacks made of ground beef and eggs, almost like omelette, but it's super good. Not really omelette. It's like it's a snack, almost similar to not spring roll, but you can use spring roll skin for a quick way to make martabak. Anyways, acar can be served with anything, with your steak, with your rice, with your grilled chicken, whichever you like, whatever you like, or you can serve it as is. My husband loves acar as is, and today is not really Indonesian acar. I mean, it's still gonna be Indonesian acar, but I'm gonna add radish because I love radish, and my husband also love radish. Basically, if it's a regular carrot or baby carrot, you wanna slice it to thinly slice or matchstick. But for today, I grabbed carrots that already ready to use matchstick. The same thing with the cucumber. You can cube it or slice it into a stick style, and for the radish you would want to do the same as well. Dump your ready to eat matchstick style carrots into a bowl and add about 6, if not more, bird-eye chili. For the radish, we're gonna wash them and then slice the tips, remove them. So again, place everything into a large bowl, and now we're gonna cube slice or whatever you want to shape it the onion and garlic. Once you slice onion and garlic, add into the bowl, and now pour enough water covering everything, and pour vinegar as well, white vinegar. So you want to achieve sweet and sour, so it's vinegar, sugar and salt. Adjust to your liking, and your fresh cucumber pickles or cucumber salad is ready to serve. But we like it chilled, so you want to chill it first for a couple of hours before you serve it.